Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today we have some more Louis Vuitton unboxings. So let's get into it. So two of the things that I picked up, I did order them online. However, I had them shipped to the store. And one of the things I didn't plan on purchasing, but was on my wish list. And it just so happened to be in store, so I had to pick it up. So let's go ahead and open them up together. So the first thing that I picked up is going to be in this bag, and this is the item that I actually didn't pre-order. It was just available in store, and by the packaging you're probably going to know what it is. And just a little bit of an update. I know in my previous video I had mentioned that the lip balm that I purchased was supposed to come with a velvet pouch. However, since then Louis Vuitton has updated their website so that way the lip balms do not come with the pouch anymore. It is because there's some discoloring or bleeding issues, so that's why they stopped sending it with the lip balms, and it's only available now with the lipsticks. So if you do order lip balms, unfortunately you're not going to be getting the velvet pouch, but you'll get it with the lipsticks as well as the eyeshadow palettes. So I ultimately ended up picking up another refill from the beauty line. So this is the packaging for the refill. It is just in a Louis Vuitton sticker wrapped in tissue paper. And then the lip balm refill looks like this. So it is slightly different than the actual casing that you order. So you do not get the Louis Vuitton monogram on the box, and you get one fleur-de-lis and then just some product details on the sides. So this is the refillable portion, and it is exactly the same as the lip balm casing order, but the difference is it comes with an actual case as well. So that's pretty handy. Versus when you order the lip balm in the full casing, it won't come with a clear case for the individual product casing. But everything else is the same. It says Louis Vuitton at the bottom, and then it has all of the product information right there. So obviously I didn't need the lip balm refill right away, considering I just unboxed the full lipstick casing with the lip balm itself. But I figured these things are selling really quickly, and when might they restock them, who knows. I've seen their notifications going in and out on my app, but it just sells out super quickly, so I thought might as well just have one in the bank just in case I need it right away. So that was the first thing that I wasn't expecting to pick up. The next two items I was expecting to pick up. I did pre-order these, I want to say at the end of August. So it did take a couple weeks to arrive. So let's go ahead and open those up. So if you're not new to my channel, I'm sure once you see this box, you're going to know what it is. And yes, it is what you think it is. I think I'm going to be at number 39 and 40 right now. Don't quote me on that. I do have a couple more orders coming. We got a little bit of a Louis Vuitton binge recently, so I do have couple orders pending, so you might see a few more unboxings from me in the near future. Just depends on when those become validated. But anyways, let's just go ahead and open these up. I really do want to show you guys. So obviously this silhouette is very well known on my channel. And the item that I picked up was the pocket organizer in this blue and green heritage pattern. And it features the marquee Louis Vuitton Deposé stamping. Similar to all pocket organizers, it has a back pocket. And then what I loved about this one is it has this yellow interior. And this one is made in Spain. And to be honest, this yellow interior kind of reminds me of Goyard, just because they like to put yellow interiors in their products. Absolutely love this pocket organizer. And this retails for 670 Canadian dollars on the Louis Vuitton website. And obviously, item number 2, I'm not going to keep any more suspense going. Just going to go ahead and tear it open. Any guesses as to this one, or at least the pattern? So I was able to pick up the red and burgundy version of the Heritage Pocket Organizer. So again, similar concept. It has the back pocket, and this one just has this beautiful maroon color. I kind of wish that they did the marquee color on the inside, similar to the previous one that I showed you, but that's neither here nor there. And then it does have the stamping. This one was made in Spain. Absolutely love this. And again, this one was 670 Canadian dollars. Here's what they both look like side by side. The back. The inside of the first one. And then the inside of the second one. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of content or want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. We're so close to 1,200 subscribers and I could really use your help getting there. So again, if you like this kind of content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.